Hey Lake of the Ozarks, it's Kelsey from the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and today we're at Lake Billiards and Sports Bar. Let's check it out on the DM Food Tour. Okay, so I'm here with Dave and he is going to tell us more about Lake Billiards.
So I moved up here, and after 3 years of not doing much, I got tired of fishing, and I thought, well, let me see if I can bring a little bit of a better environment for shooting pool here to the lake area. And so far, it's be 2 years next month, and
awesome.
So we're making it. And I like to say we've got the second best pizza in the lake.
Yeah.
Because everybody else has got the best. So we've got the second best.
Yes.
Everybody else has got the best wings. We've got the second best wings at the lake, and the second best hamburger.
Yeah. So why should people come here?
Well, they should come here, number one, if they're looking for a place to come and have fun, family-oriented place. You can bring your kids here.
Oh, my daughter loves pool. She's bad at it, though.
Yeah, we have the longest happy hour at the lake from 11 to 6 every day.
What?
We have $1 off the drinks and $1 off appetizers.
From 11 to 6?
Yeah.
Tell us what you got.
All right, we'll just start with our classic cheeseburger. People come in here all the time for this. It is a nice hand-pattied beef. It's not a frozen puck like a lot of places use around here.
That's a big burger.
Yeah, this is a half-pound burger, double pattied. So this is our white chicken grinder. Okay, you got your chicken and your white barbecue sauce, your Monterey Jack cheese on there. Over here we got our Texas wrap. I got Texas wrap with the Guinness infused onion rings. Over here we got the classic catfish baskets with your homemade hush puppies. Right here we got our take on the classic Philly cheesesteak. And these little suckers are delicious. These are the jalapeno cheddar nuggets.
Ooh.
Dig in and tell us what you think.
Awesome, thank you. All right, so I'm going in for another little jalapeno corn fritter. They're super crispy on the outside, but the middle is just gooey. Just got a little bit of a kick. I love the chipotle ranch with it. It's fire. All right, the white chicken grinder. This is a huge sandwich. Oh my gosh. I figured if we were getting messy, we should get messy. Okay, it's really cheesy and creamy, and the chicken is super moist. The toasted hoagie bun, so tasty. Try this wrap next. Very tasty. Like a little sweetness from the sauce. The rice and beans are like cooked perfect. Like a little Tex-Mex flair going on there. A little barbecue and a little like Mexican vibe. Oh my, we're just gonna have to stop for a little bit while I eat onion rings. All right, next up we've got a giant half-pound cheeseburger. Gotta have a burger in your life. This is so good. The meat tastes really fresh and it's seasoned really well. And it's giant. Next up we have this giant Philly cheesesteak. All of the caramelized onions, covered in cheese. Ooh. The meat is seasoned perfectly. All the caramelized onions and peppers are so fresh and delicious in there, and it's so creamy from the cheese. That's an awesome sandwich. All of the catfish, big filet. Put in a little tartar sauce. It's so flaky, and the outside is so crispy, but it's so moist. That's delicious. If you are looking for some amazing food and a great atmosphere to hang out, you have got to get down to Lake Billiards. And we'll see you next time on the DM Food Tour. Hey Lake of the Ozarks, it's Kelsey from the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. I can't. Oh, did you want me to say, now I'm going to eat the cheeseburger? You didn't let me play pinball, and I just really wanted to play pinball, and now all I can think about is playing pinball, and just can't focus.